Hi guys. Hi guys. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions to ask? I'm traveling and can't talk for. Oh yeah, no problem, Jay. Thanks. Okay, no problem, Arush. I understand. Okay. Do you have any questions that we would like to solve? Okay.
I don't have any questions in particular.
Okay. Okay. I'm checking. Hold on. Okay. Last week we did BATAS formulas. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. I don't know why it printed like that. Hey Harshit, you had a question, right? You should have asked me, right? Harshit. Okay. It was cut off. How many questions were you able to answer, Harshit? Harshit, how many questions were you able to answer?
Huh? Did you say something? I can't hear you.
No, we were all asking you questions more than questions after questions, and you are not answering. You're looking at something else there. So that is not fine for me, Harshit.
Oh, I don't know what happened. My volume, I put it at 100, but since it's
Mm,
connected to my monitor, it was different. I thought you were muted or something. I wasn't able to hear you.
okay, but that's not it. Okay, so you're looking, I really do not want you to be looking at something and having fun there, okay? You're smiling, that's all fine. But then see, when you had some questions in the homework, you should have asked, right? That's what I keep on asking. You pinged me, so I was asking you, what were the questions in the homework?
Oh, like half of the questions.
Ah, that's what I was asking all the while.
I wasn't able to see half of the questions completely.
Okay, so did you do the ones that you were able to see or did you not?
I did.
Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Let's see what is the problem. I am seeing for that matter, but I don't know what is the problem. Why it is appearing like that, I'm checking. Okay. See, when I'm able to see the questions. I don't know what is going on with this. So, oh, it is cutting it off. I see. When I make a print of it, it's cutting it off. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let me review that. Many of you have not submitted as well. Okay, let's see. Somebody's coming in. Hey, Avyut, heartiest congratulations. You're in
Thank
cloud
you.
nine.
Yeah, I finished the
I
IT
know,
counseling.
right? It was too
Yeah.
cool. What did you miss 4 points?
I don't know. They don't
They
show the
didn't tell you,
content.
but I was so happy to know. Your dad messaged me immediately in the morning, so
Oh, okay.
felt very good to me. Good.
Thank you.
So, was there
Uh,
any difficult question that you have not come across till now?
I feel only the hardest questions were like probability.
Oh, really? Okay. Was there
Yeah.
anything that we have not covered? Hey, why don't you write out a list of topics that you came across part A, part B, and which was difficult, which was not difficult? Can you write out a note?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, please tonight. Okay, without fail, when the thing is fresh in your brain, can you send it to me?
Sure. I can tell you that we didn't go over reflectional and rotational though.
Reflection rotation was not there, huh?
There was. It was in the test. I'm saying we didn't go over it though.
Oh, reflection rotation.
Mm.
Okay. Other than that,
I think we covered everything else.
I see reflection rotation transformation.
But
Should I
but
have done,
I'll
but I don't
but
know
I'll
why.
see
Uh-huh.
I'll see after.
Yeah. Sure, sure. Just please think about it and whatever you remember, just put down the question, put down the list of topics, what was difficult, what was not difficult, all that let me know.
Sure.
Oh, this was in part B, right? The last 100 questions had transformation, correct?
Last 57 questions.
57, 100, the one that I sent it to your dad in WhatsApp.
Oh, the 100 one, yeah.
That
It
had
had.
transformations, right?
Yeah, it had transformations.
Okay, guys, let's check this weird task formula. I'm not able to see why it is not working, but it is not working. I understand. How about this? What is a monic quadratic equation? What is a monic quadratic equation? I think we discussed this when we were discussing quadratics. What is a monic quadratic equation? It was there in the homework. I don't know if you saw. What is a monic quadratic equation? Coefficient of the x square term is 1, meaning coefficient of the leading coefficient, meaning the coefficient of the coefficient of the term that has the maximum power of x in that equation, right? It's x power of 2. So when the coefficient of x square is 1, that is a monic quadratic equation. It is there in the homework actually, so I just want to know whether you guys saw through that. Okay, let's see. Okay, how about this? How about this? What is the other? Okay, how about this? I really want you to try this one. Okay, how about this? Can I get your answer on this one? Let me share my screen with you guys. I'm just reviewing latest homework and then I'll go to new geometry topics as I said before. Okay, so let's see. Go ahead and do this. Okay, Arush, noted. Thanks for letting me know. But I'm going to look through this document, guys. I really don't know why it did not come through. See, now it is coming through. Fine. God only knows. Okay, I'm going to repost it here. Practice tour. Oh my gosh, we had a star practice. I don't want this. We had a star practice. Something is wrong. We had a star practice. Let's see. Okay, Harshit, can you verify whether you're able to see through it now? Can you check Harshit in the homework? Oh wow, good. Kavin, nice. Okay, so we were doing the PSAT last week, but okay. Let me ask you guys, do you all want to go to geometry or do you want me to cover more of PSAT style questions? What do you want to do?
We can go to geometry.
How about the other? Meaning, I heard Vikyat's answer. How about the
Yeah,
others?
same geometry.
Geometry. Okay, how about the Nidhi, Harshit? Tell me.
Did you add another assignment? You edited it, right? Yeah, it's still like this. It
Oh,
hasn't
you're
changed.
not able to. Did you ref? Okay, let me check, Amma. Oh, it is still like that. Oh my goodness. Wait, wait. Something is happening when I add it to the Google Doc. I feel. 1 minute, I'm checking, Ma. Okay. Let me see. I do see what you're saying. Mm. Okay, let me check first of all. Okay, can you see now? Can you refresh and see now? Did you see?
Yeah,
It's good right now?
yeah, I can see now.
Okay, you'll be able to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ma. You're going to do it this week, okay? How did the others do? That is my question. Jay, how did you do? You were not able to see through the questions, right? How did you do the
I
homework?
just generated the rest of the question and then answered it.
Oh, by yourself?
No, my dad did it for me.
Oh, nice. How?
He just took a picture of it and then just put it in Google and said like uh
Oh, he was able
find
to.
the
Oh,
yeah.
wow. Nice. What? Okay. Oh, wow. That's nice. Not ent. Oh, Kavin, you have submitted a MOV file. That is hard for me, right?
Oh yeah, I think it keeps sending that for some reason, even when I take a photo of my work. I can try resending it again.
Yeah, please. And homework are cut off and hard to interpret. Yes, I fixed it, ma. Sorry. Sorry, sorry, Lakshmita. I fixed it. Okay. Samanvi, you were not able to do homework, right? Vikyat, did you do the homework?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. But the questions were not legible, right?
Oh, no, I was doing last week's homework because I was absent.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I know. Okay. Lakshmita, I got your answer. Nidhi, did you get it? Akshita, did you get it? You have not sent the answers at all.
I wasn't here last week, so I checked my email and saw that you uploaded the video, but when I went into Google Classroom, I couldn't find it.
Okay. That means I didn't get you. So why you didn't ask, Amma?
I was going to ask today in class.
So you did not see the recording you're saying?
Yeah, I couldn't find it in Google Classroom.
Okay, let me check on that. That is 7th May, right? It's there, right? Did you see? It's very much in Google Classroom, right? Do you see?
Oh, yeah. I think I was in the classwork section.
Ah, okay. It will not be posted in the classwork section, right? Every time it's in stream. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me move on. I don't know how to do this. Okay. So let's see. How did you do? Avyukt, can you tell us? How did you do this, Avyukt? Share. I don't know. Why did the share not sharing this? Okay. How did you do this? Can you explain to us, Avyukt?
Is it
Some of the squares of the roots. How did you find the squares? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divide by 2a. Is this how you did? Are the roots, right? P plus or minus p square minus 20 by 2. How did you do this, Avyukt? You can go ahead. Avyukt?
Yeah, I can hear you. Is it fine if you can explain it? I mean,
Yeah, how did you get the answer as D?
is it not D?
Tell me how you found it, right? I would like to hear how you found it out.
I mean, I just solved and then like I got P.
You solved means how did you solve?
Like I did X, and then I did equals to 26, and then I got D.
What is equal to 226?
I did this formula and then I got
Yeah.
X.
So sum of the squares means this is only one square, right? So sum of the squares means, okay, you add and subtract this. Oh, okay. So P, okay, let me do that. Let me do that. Let's see. So you did that. P plus P square minus 20 divide by 2. But you know what? The sum of the squares of the roots of this is 26. Okay, so this one, then you have to add p minus p square minus 20 by 2 the whole. Did you do this? Who did this? Let me see.
I was honestly confused, so I just guessed.
Ah, guessing is not fine. Who else did it? Let me see. Jay, how did you do?
It was on the homework because I remember doing it, so I said D.
Wow, no, you should be able to reproduce it, right? Vikyat, can you explain?
Okay. So first, what we do is that the quadratic equation is x to the power of 2 minus px plus 5 equals 0.
Hmm,
So first we need to like let the roots of this equation be a and p. So
okay.
like
A and B.
so yeah.
Sum of squares of roots is a square plus b. You don't need to go this formula at all. Okay, go ahead.
Uh,
Hmm.
so um so like after like like doing like the formulas,
Hmm.
I got. So the sum of the squares of the roots is 26. So a squared plus b squared equals 26.
Hmm.
So then we need to rewrite it using like we need to rewrite it again. So
Mm-hmm.
like after rewriting it and then substituting and solving, I got p equals like the square root of 36. So P equals 6 or P equals -6.
Here, what did you do?
Okay, so after doing a squared plus b squared equals
Yeah,
26,
yeah.
we rewrite using the known identities. So a squared plus b squared equals uh equals parentheses a plus b.
The whole
Uh
square.
yeah, the whole square minus 2ab.
Wow, very nice. Okay, then
Then after that we substitute and solve. So 26 equals p
equals
squared minus 2 parentheses 5.
p square. P is one
Oh no,
minute.
b squared, sorry.
What is that?
B squared. So 26 equals p squared,
P
b
square.
squared minus 2, 5, 2
Two.
parentheses 5.
Oh, five. Oh, okay. So you took this B by A, C by A. Did you take that? Wow,
Yeah,
very nice. Okay, nice. And then you solve P square will be equal to 36. P will be equal to plus or minus 6. Correct?
yeah.
Very well done. This is how you should solve, guys. You should be able to do this equation, meaning the hardest part of this problem is a square plus b square you have, but then you should be a square plus b square is already given as 26, you're substituting, but then usage of this formula is what is important. A square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Very, very difficult. Very, very few of you will be able to use this formula. That is why this problem is given. So here a plus b is the sum of the roots, which is p by 1. P by 1 is p square when you square it. AB is the product of the roots, which is 5 by 1. So minus 2 times 5. Very nice, Vikyat. So P square will be equal to 26 plus 10, 36. P will be equal to plus or minus 6. Any questions? Okay. Any other question you want to solve? You want me to solve from the homework? I'm going to move on to geometry. Okay, so let's get started with geometry. I just want you to be able to do these. Let me know. Avyukt, maybe it's a little bit repeat for you, but let's see. How about this? Would you be able to do this for me? What is the answer to this, Akshita? Square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2. What is the answer to this? Do you know how to do this, ma?
No.
Okay, so here when you think about it, treat this like x. Treat this like x, treat this like x. Like terms go together. So take root 2 as common. What you're left with? 1 plus 2 plus 4. So it is 4, 5, 6, 7 root 2. Any questions? Any questions here? 5 root 2 plus 11 root 2 plus root 3. Here this is like a y, this is like x. So this is 16 root 2 plus root 3. The simplified form is 16 root 2 plus root 3. Any questions here?
Did you
Now,
get 16?
oh sorry, did I make a mistake? 11 plus 5.
Sorry, I thought that was a 1 for a second. Okay.
Oh, no problem. Okay, now how about this? Um, yeah. One second, guys. Okay, do this one for me. What is the answer to this? You have to simplify, add everything together, whatever can be added. Wow, Lakshmita correct. Vikyat correct. Avyukt, is that right? Mm, no, I'm just getting lost, guys. Yeah, Avyukt, that's right. Your change answer is right. Kavin, correct. Jay, can I get your answer? Akshita, did you get it? Harshad, did you get it? Yeah, you're confused. Okay. Can you simplify square root of 20, Jay? Can you simplify square root of 20?
So what do you mean?
Simplify square root of 20. It's a radical, right? How do you simplify square root of 20? You'll prime factorize and write it down, right? How do you prime factorize and write it? 2 times 2 times 5, right? Plus 5 root 5. Prime factorize 245. How do you prime factorize? 5, 4s are 20, 5, 9, 7, 7. So 5, 7, 7. For every 2 copies of a number, you bring it out and write. That's only square root, right? Did you get it? Now all have root 5. Take out the root 5 in root 5. So what is left? 2 plus 5 plus 7. So it is 14 root 5. Any questions? Did you have any questions? Okay, so you should be able to do this seamlessly. How about, can you simplify this? Simplify and tell me the answer for this one. See, this we should have gotten it in algebra nicely, right? How to simplify square root of 1000? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we should be thorough. Then only it becomes easier, guys. What is the answer to this? Simplify square root of 1000. Harshad, did you get it? Yeah, ma. Yeah, 10 root 10 is correct. 10 root 10 is correct. So let's move on. How about this? What is the answer to this? There's a question on the board. Minus 2 root 6 minus root 6. Did you get an answer to that? What is minus? Oh yeah, that's correct. Harshad, that's correct. Lakshmita, did you get it? Samanvi, you're not answering. What's going on? Did you get it?
I did answer, Auntie.
Okay. Correct, ma. Kavin, correct. Then what else? Lakshmita, correct. Samanvi, correct. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's see. How about, okay, okay. one thing what I want you to know is with respect to radicals, right? Suppose if I have root 5 plus root 2 inside, it is like distributive property. Root 5 times root 5 is what? Root 5 times root 5 is, see, one thing what you should know is root of a plus root of b is not equal to root of a plus b. You cannot combine them when it is addition or subtraction. You can never combine them. Okay, this you need to know, this you need to know. Whereas square root of a times square root of b, you can write it out as square root of ab. Square root of a divided by square root of b, you can write it out as square root of a divided by b inside. Makes sense? Multiplication and division you're allowed to combine or separate. Whereas addition and subtraction you can't. Okay. Here square root of 5 times square root of 5 is what? 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 2 is square root of 10. So the answer is 5 plus square root of 10. Any questions? Okay, now comes the bigger things. How about this? What is the answer to this? Can you do that?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hmm.
Can you do that? It's a little tricky though. When you distribute, you'll get different numbers. One thing is, how did you do the homework? J. So little interesting. If you are not able to do the same question here, then I get to really understand how you did the homework. So I don't know what question was this. Let me quickly check. Sum of the squares. Okay. 14th. Yeah, go ahead. Did you get it? J, I feel like it needs a correction. Minus 10. That seems right, Lakshmita. That seems right, Kavin. Harshad, that doesn't seem right. Guys, here we need to be very careful. Square root of 10. Avyuk, did you get it?
Not yet.
So what do you do here? You're going to multiply this with this. So what happens? Minus 5 square root of 20. Just multiply the square root and square root, okay? And then when you multiply this with this, it becomes 5 square root of 10. Now what do you do? Now what happens? Square root of 20. How can you simplify that square root of 20? 5. So this is 2 root 5, right? So minus 5 times 2 root 5. Square root of 20 can be written as 2 root 5 plus this is 5 square root of 10. This can't be simplified, right? Okay. Now this becomes minus 10 square root of 5 plus 5 square root of 10. So the simplified answer is this. Akshita, did you get it?
Yes.
That was a difficult question, but then you should be able to manipulate radicals very well because in geometry, people will ask you only with radical answers. Okay, so in that case, you should be able to clearly answer. How about this? This is a good one. Are you able to multiply check? If you want me to write it bigger, I will. We'll be getting on to midpoint distances this week or next week, whenever. You get it? Oh wow, is that the answer? I don't know. Minus 5. But it can't be square root of 30, Kevin. Square root of 30, can't it be simplified? Oh no, it can't be simplified. 5, 6, oh, it can't be simplified. Okay. Square root of 30
Did I
minus.
recheck my answer?
Yeah, I meaning I don't know whether your answer is incorrect or Harshad's is incorrect. Either of yours is incorrect. I can check, guys. So when you look at this question, right, square root of 15 minus 5 square root of 2 minus 3 square root of 6, what you do, you're going to multiply, right? So this becomes minus 5 square root of 30. Square root of 30 can't be simplified, we know. Now the
Oh, I
next
did
thing,
something wrong. I see now.
no problem. Okay, we'll see. Minus 3. This is 6 times 15. Let me write it together inside. Let me expand it and write and see. 3. 6 can be expanded as 3 times 2. This I can expand it as 5 times 3. So in this case, right, I can bring out the 2 3's. Instead of 2 3's, I can bring 1 3 outside and write it like this. And then this is a square root of 10. So now the answer becomes minus 5 square root of 30 minus 9 square root of 10. Jay, did you follow?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, your answer was right, Kevin. Yep, most of you got it. Now, division is the main problem. Division, there is one main problem to tackle. Let's see. So you should be able to do anything with radicals given. That's the intent. Okay. Now, division is a little harder. Let's do one more of multiplication and then go to division. Without this, then similarly, this is one topic. One another topic is you should be able to solve any quadratics given to you before we move on to geometry. The third thing is parallel and perpendicular line, parallel perpendicular equations, you should be thorough. Try this one. Did you guys get it? Okay. Okay, are you getting such a big answer? Minus 24, 168, 68, 35 and 15. Oh wow. Yes, Kevin, but is it root 18 or root 15 at the end? I'm not sure. J,
Oh, sorry, I made a typo.
something feels wrong. Okay, no problem. Go and come back. Okay. So here
Okay.
when you think about it, right? So this is you're going to multiply that inside. So 6 fours are minus 24 root 35 I'm going to have, and then I'm going to multiply this with this. So that becomes addition. 6 fours are 24, and then inside I'll have 35 times 21. I have no idea how this is going to simplify. Minus 24 square root of 35 plus 24. This one is 7573. So instead of these two sevens, I can bring that outside and write it down as minus 24 root 35 plus 24 times 7 and then 21 inside. Now this becomes 168 root 21 minus 24 root 35 plus 168 root 21. J, in your case, you have taken 6 outside, right? If you take 6 outside, it would be like this, and then 6, 3, 6 2s are 12, 6. So this would have been like this, J.
Miss
But
Priya.
but you know what, Jay? Then you should have taken 4 as well outside. So it'll be 24. 1 minute, Mavyuk. Let me come back to you. Plus 4 root 21. This should have been simplified to this level. If you take the 6 outside, Jay. Yes, Avyuk. Go ahead.
Okay. How's it root 21 though?
Oh, did I make a mistake? Oh, sorry. 15, Amma. Yes. Sorry. 7 we took it outside, right? It'll be 21. Sorry, 15. Does that make sense? Is that right, Avyukt?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep. 15 is correct. Okay, can I move on? Thanks for the catch, Avyukt. Yes, very nice. Akshita, minus 1 root 35, 7 root 15, Amma. 4, right? Akshita. Akshita, is it 7 root 15?
I'm going to check my work again.
Okay, I feel like it's okay. Now, having said this, you know this, right? Now, division is what is going to make it complex. Now, guys, suppose if I have this as an answer for any problem in, yeah,
Really quickly, it is 7 root 20, sorry, 50.
it is 7 root 15? No, right? Is it? I took out the 4, okay. Oh, I took out the 4. Oh, yeah, 4, 7. Yes. No, right? Oh, I took out the 4. Correct. Harshat and Akshita, you are right. Harshat and Akshita, you're right. Thanks for the catch, Harshat. So, when I took out the 4, I took out the 4 from here, right? 7 remains. You guys are right, okay? Now, suppose if you have an answer like this, right? Square root of 3 by square root of 7. Mathematics does not accept irrational numbers as denominators of fraction. Irrational number is never allowed as a denominator of a fraction. So what happens? What do you do to make it rational? You cannot answer. Even if you get an answer like this, you cannot answer this as the answer. Instead, whatever is the denominator, you multiply it in the numerator and denominator. So this, you had a denominator that was irrational. Now you multiplied by square root of 7, square root of 7. You multiplied by square root of 7, square root of 7. So you got square root 21 divided by 7. This is rational. Did you get it? What did you do? You converted an irrational denominator to a rational denominator. This is called rationalizing the denominator. In mathematics, if you get irrational denominators, they won't accept that as an answer. You will have to rationalize the denominator and send. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions, guys? Okay, let's see this one. Let's see this one. Try this one. Okay, how about this? We'll do this one. Okay, how about this? You're going to simplify this. 5 plus square root of 2 divided by 5 square root of 2. Can you try that one? Thank you, Kevin, for the note. Denominator, the root 2 should go. Did you guys get it, or you want me to do it on the board? Just let me know. Avyuk, no. I don't want decimal answers. I want the answer as radicals. Answer should be in radical format. That is right, Harshad. That is correct. Samanvi, you should use parenthesis in the numerator. Avyukt, it's not 7 by 10, Avyukt. Here, 5 plus square root of 2 divide by 5 square root of 2. So, square root of 2 is the culprit. We don't want the square root of 2 in the denominator. You will have to rationalize that, right? So, you know what you do? J, not really J. You multiply by square root of 2. Here you multiply the entire thing by square root of 2. So, what happens? You have to distribute, right? 5 square root of 2 plus 2 divide by 5 square root of 2 times square root of 2. These two combine to form just 2. So 5 square root of 2 plus 2 divided by 5 times 2. 5 square root of 2 plus 2 divide by 10. When you send the answer, please 5 square root of 2 plus 2 divide by 10 is not correct. This is incorrect. Why? This means 5 square root of 2 plus 2 by 10. This is incorrect. The way you need to send is 5 square root of 2 plus 2 should be in parenthesis divide by 10. That means the denominator 10 is for the whole numerator. Nidhi, are you getting it? Following?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you one or two more on this. See, I really want you to be very good with radicals before even we move on. How about this? We'll do two problems. You should be able to rationalize the denominator very nicely. Try this one. We are not touching a very hard piece. Let me see. It's enough for now.
Auntie,
Yes, ma.
didn't we just do 58?
Sorry, you can take away the 58. Yes, we just did 58, but divide by 10 was answer, right? Yes, you can take that off. Just do 57, ma. Mm-hmm. 15 and 30. 30 can be simplified. 30, 5 square root of, oh wow, nice. Avyuk, that's good. Harshad, that's nice. So this is pretty easy because you're going to multiply by square root of 15, right? Up and down. When you multiply, the denominator really becomes 15, but numerator becomes 5 square root of 2 times 15 inside, and then 5 square root of 15. That becomes 5 square root of 30 plus 5 square root of 15. This you can't add because whatever is inside the square root is very different, so you can't add, right? But here, guys, one simplification what you can do, you can take out the 5 as common. Take out the 5 as common, you're left with root 30 plus root 15, right? So now you can still simplify this. Do you see 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. So your answer should be square root of 30 plus square root of 15 by 3. This should be your answer. Okay, the simplification part is quite important. Make sense? Okay, and then to get started, a small piece in geometry, right? Let's go ahead and try this one. Suppose if I have the point 1, okay, on a line segment, okay, suppose on a line segment, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, now if I take from here to 2, let's say this point is -4, this point is 2. What is the midpoint of both? It's very easy to say, right? Because you're given a number line with only one coordinate, correct? So, but what do you do? Let's take this as A point, let's take this as B point. Which is the midpoint? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you know that this is the midpoint. But how did you arrive at that? You took A point, you took B point. You added them together, right? And then you divided by 2. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? Now, what is the midpoint between -14 and 12? That's very hard, right? For you to go, oh, 1, 2, 3. Like that you can't go. You need to apply this formula. -14 plus 12 divided by 2, which is -2 by 2, and that's a -1. So that will be again the midpoint. You got it? So now, if I give you a point 1, 2 on a coordinate plane, if I give you the point 1, 2, okay, and I give you another point 5, 6, what is the midpoint between the two? Can you apply the same thing for x coordinate separately and for y coordinate separately? Can you apply the same formula? This is coordinate number 1, meaning this is, so you can use this x and x. 1 plus 5 divided by 2, that's the x coordinate midpoint. 2 plus 6 divided by 2, that's the y coordinate midpoint. 3, 4. So 3 comma 4 is the midpoint. Any questions, guys? Do you have any questions on this? Okay. Now, given 4 comma 7 and 6 comma 17, what
5,
is
24.
what is the midpoint? Just send it in chat, ma. Good job, Harshat. Avyukt, I'm waiting. Samanvi, I'm waiting. Kavin, I'm waiting. What is the midpoint between the 2 points? Midpoint and distance, knowing it well before you jump onto geometry is very useful, guys. Done? Yes. Nidhi, that's correct. Kavin, that's correct. Samanvi, that's correct. Avyuk, that's correct. Jay, correct, ma. Lakshmita, that's correct. Vikya, that's correct. Okay. If you've understood this, we'll stop here and we will continue next week. Okay. That will just continue in June. Makes sense? Whatever we are doing, we'll just continue in June. Any questions, stay. Otherwise, we'll see you all next week. Have a wonderful week ahead. Again, nice
Bye.
job, Avyukt. Bye, ma. Bye, Vikya.
Oh,
Thank
thank you,
you.
Auntie. Bye.
Bye, guys. Did you have a question, Samanvi?